So, yeah, man, so the farming thing.
Yeah, man, you see, shipping thing. If a man can line up all himself and any money or so, can push out the shipping thing. Money, that's the money. You see all the food, yeah, man. If a man can set up a place all in the back place and get the food there, so boxes, ship it out, that's the money doing. Really, that's the money.
Because we can get it cheaper from Uno.
No, I don't really say you get it
control
cheaper. Depends on just the price where everybody are dealing with. Just the price where everybody are dealing with.
Yeah.
Just the price. Want so why people with the outer fire, man, they not use up their thing, man.
Them not think about what they are, so. Right now in a Negril, when Baba gives some banana to my brethren them, one pair of Negril at $200, you know.
No.
Come on here, so $60 feet.
$50, $300 for one dozen.
$300 for a dozen pair, yeah, so you know.
Yeah, $300 dozen.
Negril at 200, me a pair feet, you know.
Yeah.
It burn me, you know.
And that's why I tell us every day, I just show me now the help me
it burn me, you know.
Right now, I drive out tomorrow morning.
To Negril.
I go sell out some food and I
Let me tell you something. You see, if Pops stack the van down there so with pair alone, and it take about 70,000 for that, the van there now take about 90,000, $90,000, $90,090 for buy gas to go Negril. Because this one I come from the west, you know. When Pops come back, man, if I just wholesale him, I sell it for. So you see, when him get license, I have the connect for you at the west, you know. Because then I try to get the van to go to the west, because I merge them down there. When you drive in a little wasi market where them have a Negril, a pear, a soursop, a $600 me pay for a soursop, you know.
A 4 year number, a
$600 me pay for a big soursop, you know. $600, you know. See the soursop them I fall off a tree on here, so.
Oh God, sometimes you return a bush board just have it itself.
But
so if I go sell one of them local market money and them will come and say, yo, look for one soursop and give $100 for it.
a $600, you know.
Them buy one soursop, $40 a pound, $30 a pound.
And then say
one soursop, you know, $30, you know, $30, you know.
Them a pay for it.
That one 3 chicks money, because $40 for one 3 chicks and $50. Not one 3 chicks, when you could have sell 1 pound of soursop, you can't buy it, you'd have put $10 on it for one 3 chicks, you could have it.
So, you have the wealth.
I will have it.
But nobody never give you the transportation.
Look, I can't sit there with a spoiled pan tree.
I can't spoil on your son, no?
You know, but things we move out, you know. Yeah. If you have a motor, you move out a couple dozen, I can drop in a hotel or down on the rest there.
Done.
I used to watch Negril last year, I book him up.
Yeah.
Because I don't start cooking, because I can't cook, you know.
Yeah.
I cook a funeral. And he come, my chef in the West, and the man I say, yo. I tell him, say, boy, you say, more left out of the place, he say, yo, I best do it, say, the man. All you have to do. I'm telling you, my van. He said, all you have to do is just get a license and insurance. He said, I can make a sell at 500 pounds of chicken every month. 1,000 pounds. I can make yourself deliver food. He said, Aki, any amount you have, you can come with him. I have a hotel in work a month ago. Yeah, man. I just the bus me now get with him motor.
A $500 I pay for a mango, you know.
sidewalk.
You see, when I pay $500 for a mango, man, me feel upset because I know something I come here. When me say about 10, me love pear, you know. About 10 pear meat, you know. And a $200 for each of them, you know.
The rate is just
I sit down on a baba there, me a boop. See a pear, a $200 that. I mean, me a boop again. Let me see the man in my feed pear to the hog them. Now imagine up at Brooklyn now. So when I go to Africa, I see watermelon for $1.50 US. Food cheaper Africa, Botswana. But see the Aki them they are spoiled, right?
That's spoiled, man. That's spoiled.
Because you don't have vehicle and gas money. That's it.
For your motor, your gas money happy come. For you know you're going to move out. Your business just start, you know. Every week you're going to sell and say, yo, 10,000 load up my tank for your move. You know? So
you never have a car yet?
Yeah, man. I have your motor park up now.
You have your motor park up? So why not drive to Negril and sell something?
Wow, fix up here now, you know.
Have you ever gone to Negril and them places go sell food?
No, I'm not going to sell anything but fast food in place there.
Take time push out, you know.
Eh?
A bill we are trying to take time build back yourself, you know. You see it?
I'm not sure not just drink out the money and get out the money. I'm not sure I'm not tell the truth.
No girl there have to get out money. Any girl I get your money now, you don't them.
Eh?
You see no one live there for sport.
For sport. That's why I come there. None there for sport. Me a push, you know. Me a go push.
You go bush today?
No, me say me a go bust. Me a go bust out. Me say.
Oh no, you go bust out because we're gonna make sure so the man them focus on.
I 4 years, I'm buy me van now if me have a good look help back on me.
4 years, can remember a lot.
I come here,
Yeah, struggle with liquor van.
Yes, and you better give me trouble and get it sorted out and fix up and say alright.
4 years for just get a van together. That is a sin, man.
I may have the van. Buy work, save the money and buy.
Yeah.
I just push myself. But I tell myself already, I say, come.
No,
It's just like God.
it fix it up to the. How is your daughter now?
See? 9 years old.
9. And she had a good in her school?
Yeah, man.
She
Good boy,
she get to go to school? She take taxi? I walk him off a walk?
You ask her that. Sometimes we get a one drive still. Sometimes we get
How much miles she walk?
How much my parents? Right? Right, that's all.
Yeah.
Mile for us, you know.
7 miles?
No, man, I'm not 7 guys. 3, 4.
So she walk 8 miles a day?
Yeah, back and forward. Sometimes.
So she walk 8 miles a day?
They're strong, man. They're strong.
So how are shoes? Are shoes good?
They buy shoes here, you know, but sometimes you don't know you can't buy the real one.
You can't buy a real sneaker? What do you mean?
The strong shoes, you know, they get right now. I got money for look for what this was again now? I'm not talking clocks. Reebok.
Yeah.
I Reebok them my strong shoes, you know.
Yeah.
Reebok.
Yeah, not the Nike.
8,500 for Reebok for you, you know.
8,000?
I'm not $8,500.
But a foreign them cheap.
Yeah, man, but I 8,500 for one for him.
What size she wear?
Since we going there.
What size she wear?
What we got car for you? Size 3.
Size 3. And you walk 8 miles a day?
No, man.
What you said to me, man?
You have to get a Reebok, a Clarks, and them the shoes can manage your road.
So when you van did that work, you drive or go school in the morning? Because you there bush?
Me you on a bush, man. Me no touch. You know, say you can't touch the road any time, you know.
Because police are on it.
And if the police book you up in and if you know decide to carry a gun, you go in there for your food.
You have to have the money.
You have to have your food.
He may bring you go jail.
I mean, you take a record, I can't take up the man. So sometimes my police have a good heart, you know, you have to have a little piece of food to put it in the hand, say you can't believe him. If you take you up and you go in there, it can see all 50 or 100,000, you know, for your colonize, I sure define, so you go find the figure. So I've got time to right now. That's what happened to my next car, you know, the first car. Right now, we have a palm for a man, we lick you up the road. We need straight now. We have to lift it. And that gone. And we go back to work and buy one again.
So it's about...
I'm fourth. What is my buy?
Fourth? Because them not straight and them have to keep taking it from you.
No, I sell the next car we have, I sell it. I sell it and buy the van. Make up money buy the van.
So if you have about $700 for US, for your line up.
Yeah, man, you can bust me.
Tenny did send you money for help out fix it up?
Yeah, Tenny sent me a piece of food in a year and I just run with the current through and set up your
I make it a run. The support. Boy, I'm not telling you, man. I never, well, for there more often for check up.
Yeah, but every motor run you come up and you know if you go pay our next month, you join your run. Anyway, you want to
No. So,
I push yourself,
yeah. It's 8 miles she walk. Go for your shoes, let me see your shoes.
Remember first time one time, your fruit, first time, you know, say, you used to have both pick up school picking it. Them both they sit now run again.
So enough of the picnic them run here and walk go school?
They walk go school, man. And the one we go Christian and sit, I go Spartans and so taxi pick them up still, you know. Then we get drive still, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we look at taxi we come pick up some, so then we get a squeeze in there. If they go down the road and fall, they let him out. Because them go near our school.
Because them can't go too far with too much of them.
They can't get out of the next place.
Yeah.
So they a $50 drive to go hard still. Or $30.
I could see your shoes. I could see your shoes. See your shoes there. I want shoes you have?
And that shoes anyway go to school, and school shoes that. That shoes anyway go to differently, man.
8 miles. Are that shoes that you wear every day?
That shoes are chunk, and then shoes are chunk.
So she will need a sneakers.
Black.
Black.
Yeah, man. Black
A
shoes.
black shoes them wear go
Man,
school.
Reebok. I said we get a good Reebok. I 8,500 since. I'm going to Christian. Friday last week, I go there and walk in a place and I said, I 8,500 I see Reebok them for.
8,000.
Yeah, man, $8,500 for a Reebok.
Then
One time, 5 years ago, I buy one for Lexi. Got a Lexi down now, grade 6 or Arch.
Yeah.
And I got a town. I couldn't buy down here when time I down here for a much than 6,500. And I got a town and I go over and I got downtown to buy one for 5,500. 6 years ago. You couldn't mash up because I was long at school. I had their good shoes. Reebok. And you buy a Reebok or you buy a Clarks.
good.
Yeah. I want a trunk Timberland. I think the boat have to run the road there.
So I forgot. Why? So the pig, yeah.
That time gone, man. When time Laxan went up and in good head. Laxan said all the barrel I want to give me, man. I want all the shoes to me pick it. I don't have to buy those shoes, but when Laxan went up and in good health.
So Laxton send the barrel how? To who?
You just send it I make a town for it.
With your brethren them van.
You chuck them a town, a market.
Them bring it.
Yeah, they reach out me all like $6,000 to carry down, or 5,000.
Yeah. And you clear it?
Yeah, so Laxan we send the barrel come, we send it come now and he send all like all a 2 bills go give me now. Any amount more money it cost me, you put it on it.
Oh, okay. Because the way them send barrel down here is that sometimes them send it directly in a Mandeville.
Yeah, you can come right to Mandeville. And you just go Mandeville, drive in the van, go Mandeville. Take
And
up
it's easier.
That's easier.
Better
But
than
when
pay.
you come, when you send your half now, you have to go we are town.
Yeah. Better
And you
send
can take enough money to you know, because Laxan, you send some barrel, come, 2 barrel come give it. And he did it overdue. And it cost me near $50,000 to clear them.
Yeah.
Near $50,000 because he sent $200 come give me. 200 that I went $20,000.
Yeah.
I mean, if you find next $30,000.
Lord God, no, like it
sell
never
some
make no
yummy.
sense.
I sell some yummy that I borrow $10,000 for one girl. I go in at town for when the man go for it. When we go there the day, when we don't clear the barrel the day, how much money me I left? How many big mother goes? How much I left? $500. I read that whole day because the truck never ready until night, so bro. Yeah, I'm getting I when me come, I could pay. You know, me who the brother pay clear the barrel. I when me dig him now a bush, be just pay, selling me and pay me man.
Yeah.
But the barrel when it come, the barrel here, because one heap of food he send come, 1 barrel of food he send come give me.
Yeah.
1 full barrel of food. Every food he send come. And clothes in a one.
Laxton.
Yeah man, Laxan always send something come man. Laxan always send something come give me. So Laxan give me sound man. Laxan, me have a whole sound you know.
Still at work.
No, me not play, because he wants some little fix up.
Mm-hmm.
He pack up man, he pack up downstairs on this.
And the bicycle pass them.
Yeah, and the bicycle pass. Well, sell the bicycle piece, go on here, my food. You tell me say sell the man and your food, but I will put yourself.
Laxton.
Yeah man, Laxan help me out man, I tell you. I ain't me running now. Anytime me made up on him food, if me run all and me not no money to buy a food, local food, he must send it, me I get it. If me call him and say, yo, Casa, you know, so me not no money, he say, alright. Me I line up a thing for you. Buy all, say, 2 days and he say, yo, Pops, send a 50 come give her $100. Yeah man, you never left me out man. I'm so sorry for him right now, you know, too, you know?
Yeah. Everybody go through it, you know.
Like, man,
Cause when we did upstate, I make the money, you know, Laxton, we need a car. Alright, at about 2,500, me send him, you know.
yeah, man, I mean, go buy a car.
And him buy the car now, me
And he have
send.
the car so straight to the Negril for him.
Yeah, man. Laxton
Laxan
grew up, you know. Laxton like, was like a father to you, know.
Laxan a general, you know.
Laxton the general.
Cool, somebody where you can deal with him.
The real general, that, you know. And.
You never hear Laxan, when me know Laxan, me never see him say Laxan because all about doing.
No.
Remember me tell you that?
No, the real general, that. The
Never.
real man, that.
Yeah, man. Why uncle when me say I tell you so?
Yeah. I'm going to send the money to Laxton and Laxton buy the car for
Or
your
fix
family.
up
Yeah,
the car. Nice car you have, you
yeah
know?
man,
Nice,
man,
this
very
car.
nice would it go. But you know, every family have the same thing. Everybody go through.
Yeah.
The same story for every family. You know, when you're there foreign, you know. You know, easy for we neither.
Me know, it can't easy.
You know, easy for we.
Can't easy.
You know, easy.
That we just dip on your strong head,
And
your strong foot.
I'll tell you, you know, he's from a cheap picnic at college time now, you know. Everybody over the world have to know. You know, everybody have picnic. Everybody has stress. Everybody are worried. Many people don't watch a video, you know. Everybody are worried. Everybody has stress. You see me, I go Botswana, the same thing. People work for 160 US a month, you know. A month, you know.
A month?
A month. Pops.
Yeah.
What you can do for sell food down here, so no better than after Africa, you know. Because when you plant some food and you sell it and have water and on the greenery, them appear dryness.
Watch them on TV.
Some part of Africa, man, it rough for them because no rain not fall, you know. Place dry. Yeah, man, you see, don't you can't go Botswana go say this, you know. Look here. Look here. You think look here. Me just walk over here, so. And pick a guava. Right over there, say you got. Sweet stuff, right?
Yeah, true.
You can't go Botswana. You see in Cape Town, if you use the water for plant nothing, the government come for you. Them upon water scarcity. So if we feed them water, them can't use free water flowers, much less wash car. You see me, in a Cape Town. And for them Ghetto, they think Jamaica Ghetto. Jamaica, Kingston are not Ghetto now. You see the look, you see when you go through the zinc, you have to go sideways. You can't turn around, you know.
Yeah, turn around.
If you go through the zinc house, them are sideways you are going up. So if a man run there, so you don't know, you can't run. Some of the zinc house, them you can't run, because sideways you have to go through it.
Sideways, you can't run straight
And
up.
thousands of them, you know. Thousands of zinc house, you know.
We don't even know Ghetto.
Jamaica is blessed compared to certain places.
Space there.
I mean, look on your tree. I go Botswana, and the people them eat something like cornmeal. The government export diamonds and beef. And them have them nice car, you know. It's like Florida, you know. Go Botswana, it's nice, you know. But when you listen to the people, them, you hear say, them make $160. Them rent is $100, you know. Them like be like $10 in the US. But you see the food then some of the family them eat, all 5 of them, you see like the ton cornmeal but it white. Whole day, you know, whole month, you know, same thing, you know. You see, well, I'm telling about Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica bless. You see in Africa when it dry, they have to import food like say to Botswana. And Cape Town appear supermarket. Cape Town in a Google letter in the Ghetto where them a squat out the land. Making our money for food. Cause nothing no plant around there, so you know. So when you have a breadfruit tree out here, so and you can grow a sugar cane and thing, and them come in with them little food and sell to people about everything is money. Right now in a year land right here, so you see that? Even if the breadfruit young, you can take the leaf and steam it and stew it with some stewed breadfruit, young breadfruit and eat it now. You see in Africa, man, in Botswana, you see that you think of the breadfruit. So I'm showing to say Jamaica is a place where rain always a fall.
Yeah, man.
Breeze always a blow.
Yeah, man.
Hill, mountain, them place they flat. So the desert, it kind of set away. And them grow a lot of cows, so them eat a lot of beef. And then the woman, them get fibroids and I get sick and high blood pressure and things. A lot of meat. But one must give thanks on have and really start plant more color and cabbage. Because one can't afford to grow that round the clock. So then if you have food, if you eat, you know we used to eat rice and cabbage. Right? You remember when we used to eat rice and callaloo? When we never have nothing to eat. So when I have to go supermarket all the time, I buy chicken, you see me? But it tough all over the world. Now Brooklyn where I buy food and owner can grow food. So it's a balance. But there, look how beautiful, man. Lord God. When them see this in Africa, them say, Randy. But in Zimbabwe, it's kind of like this. Me not go Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe have breadfruit. You see me?
Man, from Jamaica do farming in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I think Sizzle of them, the entertainer there.
Yeah. Zimbabwe nice.
They do farming there.
Zimbabwe have them everything just like this. Yes. Yes, Jamaica. See it, eh? Build a nice house in Norway. Work it. Yes, sir. And I build them house. Going back up to the yard. Bob. Eh?
Yes, because they make it with the groove underneath. So but they just push the wood underneath and lock it on it. I screw them down here.
How you feel?
Good man.
No bush today?
No bush today.
Then you go wash today?
Yeah man, I work what things so.
So you go cook some callaloo.
That we there can send
So yeah, with that,
you start it come on the way you want.
so we know say, hey, no pork skin no there on here, so like we can fry the pork with the callaloo, some banana.
But we don't know banana down my yard.
The banana right in front of the yard.
Full yard.
I don't fear yard.
No, sir. Banana that time.
Well, I said to me, you never left none of the banana. We can use plantain, green plantain. Can cook it
You can't cook the green plant.
with the callaloo.
You don't know pork skin.
We don't have to use a pork skin.
I use no pork man.
No man. But just callaloo, onion, and plantain. We could go start, you know.
Cook it. A cook you want if you cook?
Yeah man, we can cook that. Or even fry it, you know man.
No man, me not fry nothing man.
And we have coconut oil now.
You have coconut oil?
We buy coconut oil so we can fry. Cause healthy.
No, we are
We
say.
can cook it man.
No, we may have say.
Even
If
if
a breakfast, me I think about. You
That's
see?
it.
Right. So
Callaloo.
go on, man. We can make a good breakfast. Man. We have vegetable in the fridge. We have everything.
Hold on, no move with you.
We have all different kind of things. You take up the pear off of the table down there, you put it down on the bed and you know eat it.
The one that me just pick up, bring up. Me have it in my pocket.
You have it?
Yeah man, me say, I look like I the only right peer down here. So, you know, so this man, me say, me I go lick it off. I want peer idea me eat, you know.
Oh.
Me had 3-4 peer idea. Me love peer man.
So that's why you see me take up the man. And pear for him, you know, you can get right.
I tell you. Where you eat? Guava? Where you get the guava? See you later.
Daddy,
Alright. How much you charge me for wash my clothes?
Peace and love.
Peace and love? You wash it for peace and love?
Aye,
I mean, I bring my clothes come soon.
Okay.
Alright, may I have soap, you know?
you know the meaning of the word when you say peace and love?
Peace and love. I hold it for clothes, you know. I know peace and love. You take care of you.
Peace and love, you know what that means?
Yeah,
I
man.
hope you understand what that means.
Peace and love. Yeah. See that? Peace and love for wash my clothes.
That's a good thing, man.
Ah, real.
Say wash it, peace and love.
Peace and love.
Good thing that, man. Good one that, man.
Good one, that. The woman is not married yet. Eh? No kids.
Yeah, man,
No kids. Peace. The sister for the other one.
yeah.
You say a strong woman them on there. Enough of the man them turn off Africa. I tell you I go cook a thing and then we are there. Can I tell you, you know? I'm tell you. See where you again. Kevin, the belly is still big.
That's great. Man, see avocado, man.
You see there?
Avocado.
Alright, Jamaica, see you there. Pops, Baba, me. We're still there, yeah. Love.
Avocado.
Yes. Try do that.
So where you going to use?
I'm gonna go fix the little thing on the car.
Coffee him, car?
Yeah. You know, go on to Lena.
Me not go over there, do I know?
No, man, you're good, man. Yeah, Baba, you do. You're the king.
Take time walking, I slip on that stick, you know, can you chew it up? The water, if you sip it. Dry off the slippers on this pond.
Okay.
Just dry off the bottom of the slippers, that's not sip.
Yeah, turn off the radio for me.
Yes.
Up here, hog my feed, you know, a hog man that, you know. Your business that. Your business that, Denny. Hog business.
Yes, man. I feel the whole our business and I want to like this night.
So, we'll not get breadfruit for the hog them.
No, I have breadfruit time, man. Are you out the boat?
We used to cook breadfruit food for them, you know.
See,
Yeah,
so,
man.
I try to cut that one there, and the neck pop off. I know it.
Which one?
Alright, Jamaica, we're there back on it.
You want to buy your yard?
Baba. Go buy some coconut, some cabbage.
Alright. Don't get that bad, man.
I patch your patch coffee.
Yeah. Don't get no. I'm not the artificial coffee. I'm just get up this morning and lick the coffee box. See that?
Okay.
A part coffee, yeah, drink. I know the pack coffee from outside too.
That's the real thing.
A real coffee you get this morning. See that?
You want a 100-watt bulb in here?
See that?
Then you come in and give
No,
Baba.
we don't want no but me alright with this, man. Good with this about from here, man. Good with that. Good with that.
Me's a man, I don't like darkness, you know. I hate darkness.
No, you're not dark. Good
Hold
with
on. The end of the day, let me see it. Rasta, see it there? And the colours, deck out. Royalty, see the king there. Make them know, you know, Manchester. Rasta business, you know. Royalty. So how you feel about the vibration, your new garments from Africa?
I don't know. A long time we have this.
Yeah. Yam tika come up, you know. See them there? Yeah. See the king there, see him there, you know. All the girls, them man look for a woman for having picnic, you know, so when they're open, I'm on a farmer, I don't want to gang shot head. And Denny, that's it, King Denny. Yeah. Yeah, man. See the mountains there? We're back, round the back. And the thing, see, I'll get some orange and make some thing. Then let me tell you something, when you wrap up like that, nobody can touch you, you know, let me tell you, say. See, the real thing when you try
Yes,
to.
the real bubble.
Yeah, man, them can't know. Them see, you know, them have to know, saying, yo, no, not that youth there. You can't, no. You can't do nothing. It's in spirit there with you, my lad. Yeah, man, we're there night, you know, we're there back in the Gideon, you know, then you grew up now, you big, you know, you're a man now, you know, you're 30-year-old now, happy birthday. So you have your garments and your royalty and your up and everything and things set up.
Beard up.
Yeah.
Just like
how you feel now? You're 30 now.
I feel terrific, man.
Yeah?
Yeah?
But you're all along the farm and the whole family tradition, how you feel?
But most. But somebody have to do it, you know, not
you teeth them good, eyes good?
Of course.
You herb them, no mess with your head?
No. Because we work.
No pesticide or nothing?
No, we work. No, man. Fertilizer, no pesticide.
Fertilizer?
Don't get it twisted.
Are you sure fertilizer good
Sure,
feed?
me fertilizer me thing.
Yeah.
Me use humus. That's a full manure. Some people call it. Pole shit. That me use.
You understand?
You sure?
Sure.
Are the right
a
thing?
bit of 2020, but no pesticide. I mean, no pesticide. Pesticide kill the pest off of the.
And what kind of whistler you use?
This is a King Weedy. A 2 whistler me use now, probably that's why you get that taste.
Yeah, man. Too much paper, man.
Yes, 2 whistler because when you use 1 whistler, you waste the weed.
I don't know enough. I don't like
that are
smoke
you.
paper, I know. Come and taste that paper, man. Taste.
Yeah, come and put 2 whistler. You put 1. Come and say 1 whistler waste my
My
weed.
pipe, you know. I don't deal with whistler, man. Come like smoke
Then
paper.
get your pipe then.
You see me a pipe me I use now.
Get
you
your
know,
pipe.
my lad. You see me?
Get your pipe. Me that like 1. In fact, it help me too.
Yeah.
I don't really pipe me calling it. The blue I me that like.
Well, I go ask
Straight
my brethren
steam.
them make sure say the foul manure good enough. Cause I can't make
Foul manure, no pesticide straight. Fertilizer, no pesticide.
I go ask my people them now then. I don't want you poison me, you know.
No sir. One of the best, the orange gel, nice.
You see my orange will me bring you.
Yes, nice.
You see the difference? You're one sharp.
It's smooth and very fine.
Orange Hill is refined.
Fine.
It's like perfection.
Yes.
Yours is like boom, it a kick you, it a thump you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's
especially with the 2 whistler, right?
it hit you in the head immediately. Pipe, firecracker feeling. The Orange Hill,
It is smooth
Smooth
right
as
into.
thing.
Me understand, man.
you feel it?
Yes.
I don't want your teeth my weed up. Don't go in on my stash, you know, man.
We can't do that, man. We don't have to do that. We can't use my thing on fire.
The Abbey Orange, we can smoke in our baba.
Of course. And look okay, I see them.
Alright, King. Everything ready? What the clock don't you do?
Water. No 5 steps.
Baba,
You got him there.
when gone?
Road.
For Baba!
Road in there.
Mm.
You see the door like you know say you can on the road.
Oh, food done.
Yeah.
Turn off the radio for me. So what him have something in here so we fly them. Oh, you there? You upstairs, you asleep? Okay. Give thanks, Baba. Then you will cut. Then you cut the get some ice then and make we get some the food set up and set up the music. Everything turn off, Baba.
What do you mean? Turn on the stove or turn it off? Turn it off. So you know turn it off already?
Baba, you're forgetful now, you know, you'll lose it, you know. You get old, you know, Baba. Then they make we eat the food outside. We're going to eat out here, so. Ice with the juice and food and pear, enough pear. Yes, I. We're there. We're there, someone. We're just there, so I eat. We're good.